I'm Dr. Kathy Fields, and this is my best friend and business partner of over 20 years, Dr. Katie Rodan.
Actually, we go back well over 20 years. Fortunately, our chosen careers in dermatology have taught us how to take care of our skin, and we expect that's going to serve us well for the next 20 years.
When we started our careers in dermatology, little did we expect where it would take us. From the clinical practice to the creation of Proactive for acne, and now the crown jewel of our careers, Rodan+Fields.
But you know, it wasn't easy back in the day, especially when we were bringing Proactive to market. We had the vision, but not the business background or financial resources to make it happen.
We were able to bootstrap the development work, but we were doctors, so business was not our area of expertise.
In the early days, we faced a lot of rejection. We had friends, we had colleagues who told us we were crazy. But we truly believed we had an idea that deserved a fighting chance, and eventually we got pretty lucky. Who would have ever guessed it would be my mother who connected us to the owner of a major direct marketing company that ended up bringing Proactive to market.
The success of Proactive not only changed our lives, but it proved that changing someone's skin by helping to clear their acne could truly change that person's life. And we knew there was much more work for us to do.
So we went back to the laboratory to create Rodan+Fields, a regimen-based skincare line focused on solving a number of common skin concerns, including the one that eventually touches us all, combating the signs of aging.
Initially, we chose the department store channel to introduce Rodan+Fields to the market, but quickly we realized that most of the customers coming to buy our products didn't come because of anything the stores did. They came because of the recommendation of somebody who had experienced the benefits of the products. That's when we realized we could put word-of-mouth promotion to work for our brand through direct selling, and in the process put the brand to work for so many others.
Even though there was a lot of heavy lifting to be done taking our products out of retail to create this direct selling business model, we felt it was worth it. We were in a position to invest in the infrastructure required to give you, our consultants, everything you need to support your own Rodan+Fields personal enterprise.
Your investment is your time, your passion, and discipline. We provide you with virtually everything else, not the least of which is a recognized brand we are so proud to see bear our names.
Being an entrepreneur takes confidence, even when others try to pull you down. But joining the Rodan+Fields community means you should never have to feel like you're going it alone. There are thousands who want to see you succeed, including Dr. Fields and me.
So, are you ready to experience the sense of accomplishment and empowerment that entrepreneurialism can bring? We've built the vehicle for you. We hope you join us on our journey. Great question. When we first started practicing skincare in the 80s, it was big hair, big shoulder pads.
Ooh, and big pimples. Back then, cosmetic companies offered three-step cleansing, toning, and moisturizing products, but they lacked the active ingredients that you need to fix common skin issues like acne. So people had no choice other than to use harsh drugstore products or see a dermatologist for prescription medicines.
And back then, if you had acne, you used spot treatments by smothering each pimple with Clearasil or Oxytint, and I mean smothering it.
Yeah, it was ugly. And it was ineffective, and it was so frustrating for people with acne because all they were doing was chasing pimples around their face.
And it was during this time when we were treating hundreds of acne patients in our practices. We realized spot treating was too little, too late, because every little pore on your face has pimple potential. The only path to a clear, healthy complexion was through the daily application of low-strength acne-fighting ingredients applied to the entire face.
So we had this crazy idea that we could come up with a medicated skincare system that would treat acne as a dermatologist would, but in a cosmetically elegant way, like prestige skincare. Treat the whole face to both heal and prevent breakouts in a beautiful way. And that would give people the freedom and the confidence that comes from clear skin. That's how Proactive was born.
We took the tiny acne market and made it huge. This was a paradigm shift in the skincare industry. It was no longer about spot treatment with one product, but about a simple system of 3 medicines, low strength, full face, working together that led to prevention and correction.
And this was the beginning of multi-med therapy. We knew we had created great products that would improve people's skin. But the real wonderful surprise was seeing how Proactive improved their lives. Changing skin, changing lives. Wow. So we began to think, what if we could help people address other common problems that we were seeing in aging skin, like sensitive skin, sun damage, and the appearance of lines and wrinkles? Again, we were amazed at the effect it had on our patients.
We had been using the concept of multi-med therapy to treat a host of skin issues in our offices for years. Because we knew that very few people with skin problems ever see a dermatologist, we thought, why not bring the doctor's office into everyone's home? And voila, Rodan+Fields was born.
We leveraged unique combinations of over-the-counter medicines and truly effective skincare ingredients to create Rodan+Fields multi-med therapy regimens. Each one is designed to treat a specific concern. One for sensitive skin, another for sun damage, and one for the concern we all want to fend off, especially us, combating the signs of aging. That's why we call it the selfish line.
We knew that no single ingredient or product could effectively treat a complex skin concern. In fact, we know that the best results come from the right ingredients, in the right formulations, and in the right order. So every product within each regimen, from the wash through to the sunscreen, is formulated to target the underlying skin issue.
Our goal is to give everyone access to dermatologic skincare right in the comfort of their own homes. Even though skin conditions can be complex, the solutions don't have to be.
Our regimens are simple and easy to use, giving you radiant, healthy-looking skin without a trip to the dermatologist.
Ooh, lots. We decided to expand multi-med therapy to include tools that would further bring the dermatologist's office into your bathroom.
We started with the AMP-MD roller and then the macro exfoliator. These tools help with the delivery of key ingredients to the skin, adding further benefit to using the right ingredients in the right formulations delivered in the right way.
We just love knowing that our products and this business is changing skin and changing lives.
Why is clear, even, radiant skin such a precious asset?
Because it's our biological advertisement of health and beauty, and across all ages and cultures, it's something that the human eye recognizes as attractive.
That's why we created Rodan+Fields Dermatologists, to help everybody experience the confidence and self-esteem that comes with knowing their skin looks its best.
So, what's our secret sauce for achieving great skin?
The secret is that there is no secret, or magic bullet for that matter. No ingredient du jour can keep skin looking younger or address the full spectrum of needs for any skin concern.
As dermatologists, we know that real results come from a regimen approach. We applied this know-how in our medical practices and in the multi-med therapy products we create for Rodan+Fields.
Your choice of cleanser will affect the way your toner works, and your toner will affect the way your skin responds to a treatment product that follows it. The way formulas work together on the skin is as important as any single ingredient or product.
Selecting the right formulations with the right over-the-counter medicines and active cosmetic ingredients for your particular skin concern is essential. And using the products in the right order is also critical for achieving real visible results.
And the results speak for themselves. Our regimens transform skin and are changing the way people feel about themselves. That's why we became dermatologists, and that's why we are so passionate about Rodan+Fields.
We're all aging all of the time. Our anti-age regimen prevents and treats the visible signs of aging, so you can always look your best at every age. By smoothing texture, refining pores, and signaling the buildup of collagen, the anti-age regimen is clinically proven to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, and enlarged pores. The result? a noticeably younger looking luminous complexion. No matter how old you are, it's never too soon or too late to give your skin a bright, healthy, youthful looking future.
Did you know that more than 1 in 3 Americans has sun damage? And when it comes to sun damage, it's not what you see, but what you don't see that can leave your skin looking dull and aged. Our reverse regimen is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark marks and patches on the surface of skin. What's more, reverse also works beneath the surface to clear away dulling, excessive pigmentation to restore radiant, even-toned skin. Most people see results in just a matter of weeks.
When acne comes to visit, it often settles in and becomes a long-term unwanted guest. Unblemish is a comprehensive skincare regimen that keeps breakouts out of sight and treats other skin concerns that often accompany acne. From clearing existing breakouts to preventing new ones, from fading lingering dark marks to protecting acne-prone skin from the sun, Unblemish takes acne out of the picture and helps keep your skin picture perfect for the long run.
If everyone with sensitive skin held hands, they would circle the globe 8 times. If your skin has you seeing red, our Soothe regimen is the answer. This regimen is clinically proven to calm the skin, reduce the look of redness and irritation, restore the skin's barrier, and protect against stress, while promoting a calm, comfortable, and healthy-looking complexion.
To help you discover the best regimen for you, we created the Rodan+Fields Solution Tool. It's available exclusively through Rodan+Fields independent consultants.
This online tool takes the guesswork out of your skincare routine and creates a daily regimen of products specifically designed for you.
Skin conditions are complex, but the solutions are simple with our easy-to-use multi-med therapy regimens. And they come in 60-day quantities so you can see results with your very first regimen.
We use these regimens ourselves because, like you, we want healthy, younger-looking skin. We're so confident you'll see results, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee.
With Rodan+Fields multi-med therapy, great skin and the confidence and self-esteem that come with it can be achieved without a trip to the dermatologist.
Write your own prescription for change and connect with the consultant who shared this video with you.
They revolutionized the treatment of acne and changed the lives of millions. Doctors Katie Rodan and Kathy Fields are 2 of the most successful names in dermatology. They trained at Stanford University School of Medicine, blazing a trail onto the skincare scene in 1994 with the creation of Proactive Solution. By creating a program based on the dermatology practice of combination therapy, Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields changed the way acne is treated and transformed the skincare market. This paradigm shift required a method of selling as unique as the product concept itself. The doctors knew they needed to connect on a very personal level with the millions of people who could benefit from their innovation. Infomercials opened the door that allowed Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields to come into people's homes to transform their skin and improve their lives. With the creation of Proactive, the best-selling acne system in the world, these 2 entrepreneurs established a legacy of recognizing an opportunity and capitalizing on it with perseverance and dedication to their vision. And in doing so, they've become highly recognizable household names. Now, what Dr. Katie Rodan and Dr. Kathy Fields did for acne, they're doing for sun damage. And they're inviting you to partner with them.
In our practices, acne is only one of the problems we treat. We deal with everything from head to toe. At some point, all of us experience skin issues, whether it be sun damage, wrinkles, sensitive skin, or acne. That's why we created Rodan+Fields Dermatologists, to effectively treat all of these common everyday concerns.
We all really love Rodan+Fields because Proactive came out and it was so effective. It actually delivered the promises that it made. And that gave the doctors Rodan+Fields instant credibility with us. We were really jazzed and excited when they came out with this complete collection of skincare products, because not all of our readers are concerned with acne. They have other concerns such as aging, sun damage, sensitivity, pigmentation problems, and this range addresses all these issues.
Prior to 2008, Rodan+Fields was a top-selling clinical skincare line sold in high-end department stores. In an unprecedented move, the doctors pulled their products out of prestige retail and launched them in the direct selling channel.
Once again, we rethought our business model, and we decided that the best way to get our message heard and to take our mission of helping others one step further was via the direct selling industry. Through direct selling, we can help people in two ways: to look and feel better and more confident by addressing their skin issues, and by giving people the opportunity to have a rewarding business.
Introducing the Rodan+Fields Business System, a proven way to help you become successful in the direct selling industry. It's easy to follow and duplicate. As a Rodan+Fields consultant, you become a business owner with the freedom to set your own hours of operation. Direct selling offers a rewarding career opportunity. It's easy to see why entrepreneurs like Warren Buffett, Donald Trump, and author Robert Kiyosaki are highly recommending the $427 billion a year and growing direct selling industry.
Direct selling companies offer interesting opportunities for folks with an entrepreneurial bent. For one thing, they provide a business model that we know works. The second thing that I think is intriguing is that a person can get into it with a very low entry fee, almost no risk. The upside of all of this for most entrepreneurs is that they can engage in the business to the extent that they want to. They can start a business as a career and treat it as a full-time business and a full-time occupation, or they can go part-time as they choose, and as many folks who enter into the industry do so.
With one of the most compelling compensation plans in the industry, your commitment can produce long-term financial security and a steady stream of income.
I've been in this industry for over 20 years, and I've never seen anything like Rodan+Fields. Their move to our channel could not be more timely. Skincare continues to be one of the fastest growing segments of the consumer product market, both in good times and in bad times. And who better to trust among all the choices available? These two Stanford-trained dermatologists have a legacy of success that is unprecedented. This is a very special opportunity. First of all, it is a new opportunity, but more importantly, the integrity that the doctors brought to the skincare products, they bring to this whole new business. Whether it's the marketing materials, whether it's the product development, whether it's the training, or whether it's the more generous, what I consider to be one of the most generous compensation plans, it is built with integrity and honor, and it's a business that anybody can be proud to be a part of.
As a Rodan+Fields consultant, you'll receive the support you need as you build your future. You'll have access to training from top industry leaders, a personal website, a chance to learn and network at corporate events. You'll have direct access to the RF Connection, which provides you and your customers with all the support you'll need, including answers to product questions from trained medical professionals. As a Rodan+Fields consultant, you are an independent business owner with a support system of a corporation. If you're driven by a desire to own your own business, the time is now. You will be associated with two of the most respected names in skincare today, and you'll be representing clinically proven products that provide visible results. You can position yourself as a leader in a company committed to redefining both the skincare and direct selling industries, with a management team that brings well over 100 years collective experience and an unprecedented track record. Dr. Rodan and Dr. Fields have a legacy of recognizing an opportunity and persevering to capitalize on it. What's your legacy? Just imagine if you'd been invited to join the doctors when they created Proactive. Where would you be today?
As dermatologists, we believe everyone has a right to a clear, healthy complexion.
And as entrepreneurs, we believe everyone has a right to financial independence and success.
We invite you to join us on our lifelong mission of changing skin and changing lives.
With the Rodan+Fields business system, you can write your own prescription for change.
Make a difference in your life and in the lives of those you touch.
Take the first step. Connect with the person who has shared this presentation with you.
The freedom and rewards of owning your own business is within your reach. The foundation for your success has been laid.